Everyone knows how much I love Creme Masque Vernix by Biologique. I basically mix it with everything. I use it as a nighttime moisturizer, daytime moisturizer. You could apply it on its own. It is my favorite product. It contains about 80% of hyaluronic acid, 10% of lipids, 10% of proteins, everything what you need to support, protect the skin. So again, you can apply on its own. You can add a few drops of any serum that you choose. At the moment I'm applying 4 drops, mixing with the 4 drops of my own Vitamin C+. You could do it for day or night. Another option, Creme Masque Vernix, mixed with a touch of Creme PIGM 400, creates beautiful glow for the daytime. You could apply simply Creme Masque Vernix, thick layer at night, treat it as a super hydrating mask. I love this combination, PIGM 400 and Creme Masque Vernix. Your skin is instantly brighter. It really shows. And again, that perfect glow for the daytime. I very often add these oils, depends what my skin needs, either 7 Moments oil, the more on a smoothing side, or Harmony First, balancing oil. Always 4 to 5 drops of oil with Creme Masque Vernix. So Vernix is my base to everything.